Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to tomatoes egg tofu. This dish can be served as soup as well as it will have bowl full of tomato soup, which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. YouTube, there are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Let's start cooking. Egg tofu, tomatoes, onion, cubes tomatoes, cubes onion, egg tofu, heat oil, fry egg tofu until both sides golden brown. Fry onion and tomatoes until translucent and softened. Add 1 bowl water. One tablespoon tomatoes paste. One teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, seasoning portion to adjust per own preference. Optional to add black vinegar if you like sorely taste. Add egg tofu. cornstarch water for thickening sauce. Cornstarch and water at 1:1 ratio. Add corn water in 3 batches and slowly thicken it. Plate tomatoes egg tofu into plate. Appetizing tomatoes egg tofu is done. This dish goes well with rice and can be eaten as a soup to complete a meal with just one dish. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. Tomatoes are low-calorie and nutrient-dense, making them an important part of a balanced diet. Raw tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, which brightens skin and fights inflammation, while cooking tomatoes releases more antioxidants such as lycopene, which may protect against cancer. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.